This is Peterbot, and that's him winning a global championship with his duo, Poya. And with 6 FNCS wins overall, Peterbot has proved himself as one of the best players in the Fortnite competitive scene right now. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how he gets stable 240 FPS and 0 ping. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright boys, so what you want to do first is you want to go ahead and join our Discord server. The link is in the description. And what you want to go ahead and do is go to announcements, make sure this white check mark is checked, and then go all the way down to free utility. And then right here, this whole thing explains how it works, but that's what I'm walking through right now. So go ahead and click these 3 dots, download. It's going to go open up your browser, and it's going to open up this TXT file. What you want to do, click open, and it's going to open your notepad. What you want to do, right click, and then click select all, and then right click, copy. We can close out of this now, and then minimize Discord, and then type in PowerShell, run as administrator. And right here, what you want to do is you want to click Control V, and then click enter. And you should see this. So right here, we have CPU, RAM, and GPU tweaks. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk you through every single one. So let's go to CPU first. So pretty much each section has its own amount of tweaks. They're kind of wrong numbered. This is the beta free tweaking utility. We're obviously going to fix this in the near future. And then right here, I'm just going to go over a few tweaks. Disable junk services. It kind of just disables some services that take up some CPU percentage. And then right here, this one's kind of dangerous, but you can unapply and reapply it. Lock CPU at 100% minimum frequency. And then ultimate performance power plan. All basic stuff pretty much. And I'm just going to apply all of them. I'm going to click A and then enter. And now they're all applied. And then I'm going to click E to execute. And now they're all showed down. Now let's go over RAM tweaks. So for RAM tweaks, we have a bunch of tweaks right here. I think we have like overall of like 25 for each of them. So for RAM tweaks, we have flush DNS cache, raise page and non-page tool pool sizes, disable automatic maintenance, disable storage sense, and a bunch of other tweaks that pretty much like optimize your RAM for gaming. So what you want to do is you want to click A or safe or unsafe only, just all that stuff, and then A, and then E for execute, and yep, now they're executing. Now let's go over the best plan, which is the Unreal plan, which is a paid tweaking utility. I also want to show you guys the game presets that we have. So if you click 3 when you're at the start button, it shows you Fortnite, Valorant, CS2,
Apex, Warzone, Reddit 2, and Overwatch, and also Siege, Minecraft, and all that stuff.
So basically, you can select one, and it gives you the presets, and it loads it in the background, and it shows you this again. So you can do this, and then you can apply other tweaks that you want to. Yeah, so we have a full bunch of like 300 tweaks. Like we have XMP profile, and we also have categories like advanced. Then we have bloatware. Then we have services, and then we have network. Then we have gaming, and we just have a bunch of stuff to optimize your PC and make it worthwhile. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click safe only because there's a lot of unsafe ones that I feel like you shouldn't apply. That's why we have that option for that. So I'm going to click S for safe only, click enter, and then you see it doesn't check these ones with the little warning symbol next to them. That means it did its job. And also what I would do is go up here and look at all these apps and make sure you don't have any of these apps that you actually use. And just to give you guys a note, we got a lot of questions about this. When it says remove TikTok, remove Spotify, if you use it in your web browser, it's not going to delete your data or delete that browser. All it is deleting if it's actually like on your thing. Like if I had TikTok checked, it would delete TikTok Live Studio. So let's go ahead and execute them. And now they're applying. Okay, once the tweaks are fully done, you should get a little message on here that says done, restart recommended. And make sure to go through all of these and make sure they're all applied. And next what you want to do is you just want to click this and then click restart your PC. So yeah, that's the free tweaking utility and the paid tweaking utility. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to help you in any sort of way. I'll see you guys in the next one.